Hi, Stefan Sadling from Sadling Network. Here's a comparison video between my devices, my new iPad Air 2 in gold and my iPhone 6 in gold, and also my iPad Air 1 in space gray. Some reports have said that the gold color is different on the iPhone 6 and the iPad Air 2, but to me this is the exact same color on both devices. No difference at all. And the more I use these two devices, the more I like the white antenna lines on both the iPhone 6 and the new iPad Air 2. I don't think they are ugly anymore because I'm starting to like them a lot. I think this design is beautiful. And look how thin these two devices is. Really thin. I really like this design. These two devices feel so light in your hand and it's very easy to handle with one hand thanks to the thinness of the device. I love them, both of them. So awesome. And then it is the iPad Air 1 and iPad Air 2 in comparison. And the iPad Air 1 is in space gray and the iPad Air 2 is in gold, as you can see. You can see the different antenna lines, the white one on the gold version and the black one on the space gray version. I'm starting to like the white antenna line a lot. It fits the gold color perfectly fine. And you can also see that the iPad Air 2, the gold version, is thinner than the space gray iPad Air 1. And because of that, the headphone jack is not exactly on the exact same place as on the iPad Air 1. And you can also see the new buttons, and you can also see that the iPad Air 2 doesn't have a mute button anymore. And it has a different kinds of volume buttons. And the iPad Air 2 has a Touch ID button, and you can also see that it has one row of speaker grills, so the iPad Air 1 has 2 rows of speakers. And again you can see how much thinner the iPad Air 2 is. And here you have the anti-glare layer on the iPad Air 2 compared to the iPad Air 1. As you can see, it's much better on the iPad Air 2, much less glare. I really like the display on the iPad Air 2. It's awesome. Okay, bye.